Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. We'll start with the head and then we'll sink that head and the rest of the body into the bed or whatever kitty is laying on. There we go. Just make that line nice and smooth so it looks really comfy. Just mapping out the parts. I've got it going 3 times the speed here and I'm voicing over. I'm just focusing on what's important. Because not every single line is. Less is more, really. Line in there to get the eyes in the right place. Yeah, it's a little easier sometimes to put the head, kind of facing you the direction you're used to. That's what works for me anyways. There is also a school of thought. Some people think that you should turn your subjects upside down and it's easier to draw it. That's never worked for me. Do what works for you. There's all kinds of different approaches. And I hope you get some tips from me and you make them your own. Make them your own. It's all about personal style, really. Putting that character and charm of your own personality into your art. I wanted this kitty to be a little smiley. We'll fix that smile up in a minute. That's better. I like that. Personification, I guess. We're used to human smiles, so they look lovely on cat drawings. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Tell me about yourself or your cat or whatever. I just love to hear from you. Lots of people tell me about their cats, and it really adds to this wonderful community of crazy cat artists, which I am glad you are a part of. We're going 4 times the speed now. Just getting this drawing finished up. Picking here and there and strengthening up the lines that will enhance the drawing and not worrying about the rest. Some whiskers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.